Hi, my name is Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm. Here we help people all across California who are planning ahead to ensure that when they pass away, things go as they want, and to ensure that if something happens to them, they're taken care of if they can't take care of themselves anymore. This is called estate planning, and it involves drafting documents such as trusts, wills, and powers of attorney. On the flip side, we help your loved ones or others you may have chosen to carry out your final affairs when you pass away, or to make sure that you receive the care that you need if you become unable to take care of yourself in the future. This is called estate administration. Here we also help clients to receive government benefits to pay for the necessities of life if they can't pay for them on their own. And we do all this with compassion, providing information and advice in a plain and easy to understand way. What we do here, it provides relief to families. Let me explain. Perhaps you're an older adult who's thinking ahead about what's going to happen when you pass away. We can draft the documents to make sure that your wishes are carried out at that time. And when our clients sign these documents, the relief on their faces, that is rewarding. On the other side of the spectrum, we help young families with young children to ensure that if something unforeseen happens to those parents and they pass away or can't take care of their children for some reason anymore, that the children can continue to live in the house, and somebody that they've named can make their parental decisions for those children until they become mature adults. Often our clients here are mature adults who are mourning the loss of a parent and overwhelmed because they don't know what to do to take care of the final affairs of their deceased parent. Or someone who's scared because their friend is not able to take care of himself or herself anymore. Perhaps is being taken advantage of financially, using the stove in dangerous ways, or maybe even sitting in the dark because they didn't pay the power bill and the lights got turned out. We guide you through the process to handle your parents' final affairs and take care of your friend who can't take care of himself anymore. We get the lights turned back on. And here at Meinzer Law Firm, we all speak like human beings. Even the attorneys do, which I know sounds silly, but it makes all the difference in the world. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, I spoke with somebody who had interviewed a few different attorneys. She said she was going to hire us because I spoke plainly and I spoke like a human being, and I told her I'd talk like a human being as much as possible. Look, if you don't do the advanced planning, then your family, or maybe even somebody that you haven't selected, is going to have to go to court to make sure that things are taken care of when you pass away or you become unable to take care of yourself. In California, that's called a probate or a conservatorship proceeding. Here, we help people through those proceedings all the time. But for you, let's do something better. Let's create something that is simple, that reflects exactly what you want, and that keeps the court out of your business. Again, my name is Andrew Meinzer of the Meinzer Law Firm. If you need our help with any of these things, or if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.